सिद्धार्थ गोवाचे सिद्धार्थ केअर हे CSR ॲक्टिव्हिटी खाला स्वच्छ भारत अभियानाची मोहीम चालू जाल्या. NIO सर्कल दोनापावला ते GMC बांबोळी मेरेनचो रस्तो नितळ करतले. भविष्यात ह्या मोहिमेचो व्यास वाडयतले अशें सिद्धार्थाच्या अधिकाऱ्यांनी सांगले.
This is yet another milestone for Siddharth Cares. Siddharth Cares is the banner under which we do our CSR activities. And in keeping with our commitments to support the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, Siddharth has decided to adopt, clean and maintain the stretch from NIO Circle, Donapaula to Goa Medical College, Bambolim. We used to on and off keep doing cleaning drives, and Siddharth was very actively involved in this. However, this time we've thought of taking this a step forward, and we've decided to move on for a 6-day activity wherein from Monday to Saturday we will have these roads cleaned and maintained so that people living in and around this community will have clean roads to drive and clean footpaths to walk around. Now this is a big activity that will happen throughout the year and even further than that. To support us for that activity, we have with us John Fernandez here, right next to me. He is the owner of Envirovise Services, and they take care of disposing of horticulture waste in a very systematic manner. We have tied up with them, and we will take this initiative way forward. As of now, we have just adopted this stretch, which is about 7 to 8 kilometers. But in time to come, I'm sure that our boundaries and our scope of cleaning will definitely grow, and we'll also have other corporates who are like-minded who would wish to join us and take this forward.
We are into waste management, and we carry out recycling of solid waste, and horticulture waste we do vermicomposting and all. So whatever we get leaves and other stuff from here, we'll take it for vermicomposting, and solid waste will be segregating and recycling it. Plastic, that is solid waste. So plastic, whatever aluminium, whatever which comes in solid waste will be segregated, and then it will be recycled. We have got a recycling plant at Kundem Industrial Estate. We are tied up with Siddharth for the past 4 years. So this is something additional thing we thought of doing because of cleanliness.
हे बुलेटिन हांगाच सोंपता. ह्यो खबरो तुमकां prudentmedia.in वेबसायटीचेर लायव्ह पळोवपाक मेळटात. नमस्कार.